Did you know that love can survive even death itself? Elena was a portrait artist who painted people's memories. One night, Marcus knocked on her studio door. He couldn't sleep and wanted her to paint his grandmother who had passed away. Marcus had terrible insomnia, so he visited Elena every midnight. While she painted, they talked about dreams and fears. Soon, they fell deeply in love during those quiet hours. Elena began painting their future together, their wedding day, their children playing, growing old hand in hand. She painted the life they would build. Then Marcus stopped coming. Elena kept painting anyway, creating hundreds of pictures of their imagined life together. She painted for 8 months, alone in her studio, finishing their story on canvas. But here's what broke everyone's hearts. Marcus had died of a brain aneurysm the night after their first kiss. Elena's trauma made her imagine their entire relationship. She had been painting alone all those months, creating a future with a man who was already gone. His family found her studio filled with beautiful paintings of the son they had lost forever.